Working a severe weather alert this morning. We'll get to CBS this morning in just a few minutes, but first we want to take a live look at conditions outside as we continue to track this winter storm. And as we look over Providence here at just before 9:30 this morning, you can see the poor visibility, those snow-covered roads. The winds are howling. In fact, just got a report in about 7 minutes ago of a wind gust to nearly 60 miles an hour on Nantucket. Newport with a 43-mile-an-hour wind gust, similar in Barrington, Fall River at a 37-mile-an-hour wind gust, Pawtucket 33 in Providence with a 30-mile-an-hour wind gust. You know, good news is that the intensity of the snow is starting to break up a little bit, ease up a little bit, especially over places like New Bedford that is just seeing the pounding snow this morning. The heavier snow is starting to shift over Plymouth County and Cape Cod. And in Rhode Island, we're seeing varying intensities of snow still coming down at a decent clip in the southwestern part of the state. And we've got one more heavy band to drop through the Providence area, but up to our north, the snowfall rate's much lighter. So now through about noon, I'm expecting an additional 1 to 3 inches of snow in Rhode Island and much of Bristol County. As you head east of New Bedford towards Cape Cod, as much as 2 to 6 inches of additional snow on top of what we've seen so far. In New Bedford, you've picked up 19 inches of snow, with more than 8 inches of that falling just this morning. Burrillville with 11.5, Pawtucket at 11, Middletown at 9, West Warwick at 8, Matunic at about 8 inches of snow. Visibility still at around 1/4 of a mile. We have whiteout conditions and westerly right now, so the blizzard warning continues into 4 o'clock this afternoon. We're going to continue to see temperatures dropping this noontime. At 2 o'clock, around 16. While the snow will be over, the skies will be clearing. There'll still be a lot of blowing and drifting snow, making travel very difficult. And then overnight tonight, we fall to 2 below with those wind chills. More than 20 below expected. Those are dangerous wind chills for us. Here's the satellite and radar storm center sitting southeast of Nantucket right now. This will continue to intensify as it lifts up to the north and east. The snow will be coming to an end, but the winds will still be cranking through the day today. I want to show you this wind futurecast, and this is at 10 o'clock this morning. Winds between 40 and 55 miles an hour here in Rhode Island, and over 55-mile-an-hour wind gusts at times for the Cape and the islands. In fact, the winds will continue to gust between 45 and 55 miles an hour along the Rhode Island coastline east to the Cape. This is late in the afternoon. Even this evening could still be seeing wind gusts over 50 miles an hour in Cape Cod, Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard, and the winds in Rhode Island at 5:30 in the evening still gusting between 35 and 45 miles per hour. So a very windy evening and night continues. That's going to make those temperatures feel brutally cold, with a feel like in this wind chill warning area, which includes Providence, Kent County, the northwestern part of Rhode Island, 25 below. Wind chill advisory for southeastern sections of Rhode Island down through South County, Cape Cod, where the wind chill will be between 15 and 20 below. So your 7-day futurecast, we go from the snow and wind this morning to brutal wind chills for tomorrow morning, 2 below for the air temperature, a high near 14, to potentially another round of snow into Tuesday. We're tracking yet another storm, very track dependent for us. If it tracks close enough to us, we could be talking about another potentially significant snowfall. As of right now, it looks like we'll see at least several inches of accumulating snow. We want to head out to Perry. Perry Russell. He has been in New Bedford throughout the morning, one of the areas hardest hit, getting reports now, Perry, of